Welcome to Gear Shift Garage, your trusted multi-brand two-wheeler service and repair center in Sainikpuri, Hyderabad. Today, we are showcasing a complete engine restoration project on a Yamaha R15 version 3.0. This motorcycle underwent a full engine overhaul and rebuilding process to restore its performance, reliability, and riding experience. As you can see, the engine was completely dismantled down to the last component. The damaged engine crankcase was replaced with a brand new engine casing, and all worn out internal components were carefully inspected and replaced wherever necessary. Major engine components, bearings, oil seals, gaskets, fasteners, and other critical parts were renewed to ensure factory level performance and durability. Before assembly, the motorcycle was in a completely stripped down condition with the engine and associated components removed for detailed inspection and precision rebuilding. Every component was cleaned, measured, and reassembled according to manufacturer specifications to maintain proper engine tolerances and smooth operation. After completing the engine restoration, reassembly, tuning, and final quality checks, the Yamaha R15 V3 is now back on the road in excellent condition. The engine is running smoothly, delivering improved performance, better reliability, and a refined riding experience. At Gear Shift Garage, we specialize in complete engine rebuilding, major repairs, preventive maintenance, and performance restoration for all major two wheeler brands. Gear Shift Garage, turning every ride into a smooth ride.